Well, WBHO is one of the biggest construction company in South Africa, if not the whole of Africa. We've got sites in Tanzania, Mozambique, Zambia, and Botswana. And the one thing that makes us stand out from companies that are as successful as the quality work that we provide for our customers. WBHO is built around maintenance, ensuring that an asset continues to do what the user wants it to do. And we achieve that through preventative maintenance. And VisionLink is starting to be a big part of our preventative maintenance.
Before we used VisionLink, we were very manual driven. So we had guys on site who would inspect on a daily or weekly basis, put in manual reports, and then those manual reports were then sent through to us. That obviously becomes quite difficult if you're far away, if you're in northern Mozambique, for example, where there's very little internet connectivity and that kind of stuff, and getting a manual report can maybe take 2, 3, 4 days, that kind of thing. Now it's immediate. You know, if there is an alert, then Fiona or Malala will pick up that alert and they can action it immediately. If it's overheating, if it's whatever it might be, coasting in neutral, whatever the alert is, it can be actioned in real time. Primarily, I think it's the daily monitoring, is that we can look at problems almost in real time and fix or attend to those problems immediately. Whereas in the past it might take you a while, and you know, if it's a high problem, if I can put it that way, you know, you might miss something and fail an engine or fail a component.
To me, VisionLink would tell me what my machines are doing every day. I could go into yesterday, see where a machine has it worked, how many hours it's worked, what its fuel consumption is. To not use VisionLink, we would be going backwards.